to the edges of the foam roller, hug with your arms, and now we're articulating up through the back, keeping the knees bent, keeping the knees bent, keeping the knees bent. The roller comes up, hold. 2, think knees open, hips forward, holding for 8. This is 6, hold 7, hold 8. Stand all the way up, lower the roller down. Now from here, turn to the side. You're gonna keep a pretty big open stance with the legs. Now, I'm gonna put the roller in my left hand when my right foot is forward. Pressing down, not only for balance, but also just for a little energy through this left arm. Hand is on the hip, and I'm just going down into a little lunge and pushing up. And I go down. Press it up. Down. Press it up. Down. Press up. Again, down. We hold. Trying to stack the head over the back knee. Holding. 4, 5, 6. There's going to be a transition to the other side. From here, pick the roller up, put it in front of your hands, think hug in on it. You're going through that center position, knees open, holding 8, 7, hugging in. It's kind of a feeling like hug a tree. So I'm just squeezing in on the roller. 5, my hips are forward, my knees are open, hold on. 8. See if you can transition all the way around to the other side, stand up, and we'll get set up. So placing a hand on the roller, I've got my other hand on my hip, I'm going down. 1, and I press up. Take it down, don't rush it, and press up. And this is 3, and up, 4, and we hold. 2, 3, holding for 8, 6, and 8. You take the roller in your hands. Think like hug a tree with the arms. Start to spiral the opposite foot. Come in, hold here. 1, 2, 4, 8, 3. Knees open wide, hips pressing forward, hugging on the roller. 7 and 8. Another side bend over, pressing up with the bottom hand. See now if you can get a little bit farther. Listen to your body. Don't go beyond your level. Come up. Other way. Side bend over. See if there's a little more range. Using the arms pressing into the roller as a little extra source of strength to work with. And you come up and relax. For the next thing, get rid of your roller. Get your magic circle. And we'll start in a Pilates V stance with the feet. The circle is going to be right in front of the body here. First thing, just hug and hold. So trying to only hug as much as you can without creating any tension in the neck. I recommend bringing the circle down a little bit lower than you may think. So let that kind of allow you to set your shoulders down. As you hold this little hug of the circle, you want to try to recreate the feeling of the Pilates V stance that we found when we did the little heel raises. So no heel raises right now, just holding the hug of the circle with a hug of the heels together. Let that energize the backs of the legs and the inner thighs. We're still hugging on the circle. From where you are with the circle, you only get smaller with very controlled, slow pulses. So it goes a little farther in. Barely open, squeeze 2. Working the heels 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and we're going to hold this. So as you stay here with a hug in on the circle, extend your arms out trying to keep the circle small, pull back in. Now I didn't go to a full extension of my arms because had I gone all the way, I would have lost that squeeze. So I'm trying not to let the circle open any farther and bring it in. Each time I'm getting a little further forward though. See if you can too. Lengthen. It's hard when you get to the end. And lengthen. Bring it in. 2 more. Lengthen it out. Bring it in. 1 more. Lengthen it out. Bring it in. You are still hugging on that circle.
I want you to rise up to the littlest heel raise. Work the heels more firmly together. 8 more squeezes, or rather pulses in. Go 8, 7, 6. Neck is on vacation. Heels work together. 6, 7, and hold 8. Press your heels down. Separate.